Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Reza, and in this video I want to show you how to make, basic lo-fi drum pattern. But before we jump into the video, I would really appreciate if you like a video, leave a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much. And by the way, let me know what you want to see in the next video, what tutorial you want me to make, and if I know, if my PC can handle it, I'm gonna make that video and I'm gonna upload it. So let's jump into the video. Before we get into lo-fi drum pattern, I want to say that's most important in this thing is in any genre is sound selection. Okay, we don't want to use trap drum kits, drill drum kits in lo-fi, so we need the lo-fi drum kits. And how we can get it, just search in the Google, in YouTube, and I think Cymatics has some free lo-fi drum kit, some free sample packs that you can get. I don't know, for example, I think Cymatics Eternity sample pack is free, which has some drum one shots, has drum loops, has basses, melodics, and I think this one is free too, Cymatics Lo-Fi Toolkit. I'm not sure, I think they are free. It's also have Cymatic Lo-Fi starter pack for, I think it's for beginner, and it's good. So yeah, you can get easy drum kits for lo-fi. And if you say how we are gonna recognize it's lo-fi, just listen, just go and listen to lo-fi songs, and you definitely, after listening, you can recognize the difference between the genres and the sounds. Okay guys, so for this tutorial I choose this sound. This is our kick. For most of my beats I use that kick. It's really amazing. This is my hi-hat. This is the open hi-hat that I'm gonna use. And this is, I don't know, it says rim, but it's sort of snare and rim sort of thing. I think you say it like that. And this is our rim. Why you go there? I don't understand you. Okay. So you can, start with the hi-hat. You just go click here, right? Fill it to 2 steps. Okay, and like other tutorial says, you can play with the velocity. Make a rhythm for it, whatever you want. I usually, go something 1 up, 1 down, something like that, because no drummer hits with the same velocity. They're definitely different. Okay, something like that. Okay, so let's listen to this. You can play with some of these notes. Let's go here, 1 for beat, and I don't know, just nudge them a little bit. For example, this one's here, I don't know, this one here. Just play with these. Let me listen to this. That gives a little bit swing to this. It's really important. In this genre we need more swing. And we can delete these and repeat this one. I think it's one more lo-fi. Okay, so see, there's a little bit swing to it. And if you don't want to use this method, just nudge them off here and there, you can go, but this knob, it's swing knob. I don't use that, unfortunately. I like to make them manual. And then we go to our rims that I'm gonna layer, and it's really easy. Why did I do that? I don't understand. Okay, let me cut this. This is on open hi-hat. I'm gonna go to hi-hat and just paste it here. Okay, so that's our hi-hat. Let's go to our rims. It's really easy for rims. You put your rims or snare or claps on the 2 and the 4. And what's that mean? I'm gonna show you. Let's turn on the metronome and let's listen. Okay, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna put our snare or rims on 2 and 4 here and here. It's gonna 2, 4. Let's listen to this. Something like that, you see? And we're gonna repeat this. Yeah, so this is our rim. Definitely I'm gonna bring the velocity a little bit down, so let's listen to this. Okay, There's one trick that I use, and that's I go to the, I don't know, second rim. I go to this one, I don't know what it's called it, and I, play with the shift knob. Okay, so I don't know, maybe here. That's too much. You see, they're not heading at the same time. It's a little bit shift, to the second rim, and it make it, a little bit more swing, and let me bring down the velocity. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's go to our kick, which absolutely it's gonna start on the first one. It's a little bit too loud, isn't it? You can, beatbox, and you just figure out where you want to, put your kick. Let's listen to this. Okay, that. I wanna hear, I think. Let's listen to this. Nah. And I'm gonna repeat this. Here and here. Okay, let's listen to this. Okay, and then you can make it a little bit complicated. For example, some people wanna, put kicks together and then go to this knob, and I don't know, they go by, I don't know, 40, 50, but again, I don't like to do that. I do manually. I go to here, and this one, I don't know what to call it, 1/6 something like that. Just click on that, and for example, in here, I want to, make a little swing. And how I'm gonna do this? I'm gonna go here, this one, okay? You see, this little note in here, and I'm gonna bring the velocity down, and this is gonna, I think it's called ghost notes, and it's gonna make me, that swing that I want. Okay, so let's listen to this. You see? And I want it definitely one here too. So it's really good. I love that swing, bro. And yeah, this is our key. It's just simple. Keep it simple. And let's go to our, open hi-hat. And I always put my open hi-hat something around here. Let me go here. And I bring the velocity down, of course. You see? It's really good. And this is, the basic, you can add more stuff to it. I don't know, I was listening some, Lofi music. It had shaker on it. You can, use, percussion. I don't know, some people want to, make their own percussion, but I use loops. For example, if you go to Cymatics Eternity Sample Pack, go to drum loops, you can find full drum loops, percussion loops, I'm sorry, I said drum loops. You can find the percussion loops, and there's a bunch, percussion loops that you can use for your beats. I can say maybe for 90% of my beats I use these, percussion loops. You can easily, drag and drop it and just copy and paste it and bring the velocity down. Let's listen to this. Nice. Beautiful. And because our tutorial don't get, so boring, so let me find, I don't know, a loop. For example, this one is 80 BPM, which is our, tempo, and I can put this here, and let me bring this a little bit down. So let's listen to this beat. Okay guys, this was our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to, hit the like button, leave a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. It's really helped me out. And of course let me know what you want to see in the next video. And if if my PC can handle it, definitely I'm gonna make a video for you and I'm gonna upload. Thank you so much. Till the next video. I'm out. Peace.